Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a really quick and easy fall transition look from summer to fall for y'all. And it is, as you can see, a very red look. It's a color that I'm loving right now. It really just brings out the hazel and green in my eyes and just makes them pop. And it's just a really simple look using a few eyeshadows and mascara and not really a lot of liner. And just pretty shimmery colors. So I am hoping to get back on YouTube and filming videos. I have a few fall ones in my mind that I'm wanting to do, so hopefully I get those up, so just keep a lookout for that. Anyway, we're here. We made it. It's gonna be a good time. So yeah, I have some videos in my mind. Make sure to check out my links down below and follow me on my social medias, and let's go ahead and get started. So starting off, I'm going to be going into my Naked 3 palette, and for my transition shade I'm going to be using light, a fluffy brush, blending brush, and just putting that all in my crease. Since we are going to be using a pretty vibrant red color, this shade is the perfect kind of mauve pink to put in your crease as a transition. It helps blend out that red that we'll be putting in a little bit. So this look is so easy because it's about 3 or 4 shadows and just blending. So I'm taking the, you'll be able to see, it's this palette from from BH Cosmetics, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It is, let me zoom y'all out for a minute. It is just really bright, vibrant rainbow shades. So we are taking the red shade, and on a smaller blending brush, this is a Basanti contour eyeshadow brush number 4. A lot of my brushes, if you've watched my videos, you know I get a lot of brushes in my Ipsy bag. That's where this one's from, and the one I used before, which was a Luxie brush number 249. It's got a flat end and a blending in. Love this brush. Use it about every day. So just gonna take that red shade and start in the outer corner and just kind of pack it into the outer part of the eye, just to kind of get that pigment on the eye, and then kind of start to blend it in a little bit. So we're just gonna blend that in crease and kind of up a little bit, so you can, because it's kind of harsh right now, you just kind of want to blend that line a little bit to make it soften it up some. And I'm going to take another, this is another Luxie brush, Good Night, number 11, and I'm just going to kind of use it to blend up. It's coming a lot more red, I feel like, on camera than in real life, but like I said, you can use as much or as little of that red color depending on what you're comfortable with. So I'm just blending that out, and then I'm going to go in with the same brush we used before with the, and back into the Naked palette, and pick up that shade again and just kind of like on the outer part lighten it up a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to take some of that light and drag it under my eye. And then take a little bit of that red shadow on the flat end of this brush and then just pack that under my eye. I got this single shadow from MPrincess, or what it's called, MPrincess eyeshadow, in Pretty Petal. It's a loose pigment shadow, so the flat end of that brush and get some of that pigment on it, and then spray it with a setting spray. And then pack that on to my lid. And then I'm going to put a little bit of that under on my waterline as well. Just to kind of balance out the look. And then last step, I'm going back into the Brazil palette and picking up this shimmery red shade right here. And I'm going to pack just with my finger and then pack that kind of on the outer edge of the eye. Now I'm going into the Carly Bybel palette by BH Cosmetics and picking up the gold highlighter shade on a fluffy brush and just gonna sweep that over my brow bone. This is just a pretty gold highlight that kind of helps soften up the look and give it those warm vibes. And then on a flat, what is this? Small shader brush by Luxie. It's a small shader 245. I'm going to pick up that same shade and I'm going to pack it on the inner corner of the eye. So for this look, I don't really want to do a lot of eyeliner. I'm more like focusing on big lashes with it. So I'm just taking a Trèstique brown eye pencil and I'm going to run it right along the eyelashes just to kind of make it look fuller whenever we do put on our mascara. So just really lightly running that along here. It also kind of darkens it up a little bit and smokes out the eye look ever so slightly. And then right on a little bit on the outer part of my waterline. Mascara today, I'm going to be using two. I'm using the Covergirl Lash Blast Volume and the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude. So I'm using these two together just to make a really bold lash without actually using fake eyelashes. So I'm going to do that off camera because my camera's being weird, and then I'll be right back. The other eye and added a lip color. I used the Trèstique mini lip glaze in English Rose. It's just one of their little lip crayons. I feel like it's a really pretty berry color that helps transition from your summer look to your fall. And as I feel like this whole look is kind of like that, because you still have the red that's vibrant and fun for fall, for summer, but also red is a main color for fall, as leaves and apples and all the great things that come with fall. So keep a lookout for more videos that I will be uploading in the next couple weeks, all based around fall stuff. I'm super excited for fall to finally be here. It's one of my favorite seasons. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to check out my links down below, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.